This is a video of the unboxing of the i12 Pro Max, and it's in 512 gigabytes, and it's in the gold. Go ahead.
The box is a lot smaller this year because no charging brick. Here we go.
So that's a pretty phone.
It's beautiful.
It's got the 3 cameras. There's the satisfying peel of the
satisfying part of all.
Okay, beautiful.
And let's see what else we have. The charging cable.
Charging cable, and then that right there is there's an iPhone sticker in there. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, there's an Apple sticker.
An Apple sticker, yeah, and then there's the little little doohickey that you use to change the SIM card in there.
And yes.
Let's see that.
It's just this little paper with the tool on it.
Okay, cool. You don't need to take that out right now. And then you've got the charger. And where's your Apple sticker?
Apple sticker right here.
All right.
Box is beautiful, and the charger on this one is different from all of the previous ones except for the iPhone 11 because it doesn't have a USB. It's a USB-C port. So this will connect to a cube with this, or if you have a MacBook, then it should plug into that too.
Or you can charge it wirelessly.
Yeah, or you can charge it wirelessly. And it has MagSafe compatibility. So if you have the MagSafe charger, you can charge it like that. Cool. 3 cameras. It's really, really, really big. You compare it to my iPhone 8 in size. It is... Actually, it's right around the same size.
Same size, but you got more real estate on the screen.
It's a little bit taller.
Show them up side by side.
It's a little bit taller than the iPhone 8.
Wow, you can't see it because it's on the black. Put it over here so that I can. Okay,
other than the slight height
iPhone
difference.
8 Plus, iPhone 12 Pro Max. About the same size, but
that this one is square. This is the first time since the iPhone 5 that they've done it square, as opposed to all the other ones have rounded.
How do you like the square? You like the square?
I actually do like it because it feels more like you can hold it without dropping it. But the iPhone Pros, the Pros this year have this, I think it's stainless steel on the side as opposed to just the regular 12, and the 12 mini have aluminum.
Can you turn it on? Power it on real quick.
Let's turn it on. Here we go.
Look at that.
Hello. Swipe to open.
And with that, we'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe.